Today we are doing unboxing video of DaVinci Speed Editor. I ordered this from imstudent.com. So let's start unboxing. Cut from here, dude. From here. It's 1 minute above and you are still unboxing, dude. Just do it fast. Make sure you cut from here. We have to use the cutter, bro. Wait, do it from here. DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor. Why? Tear it from here. DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor. It's buttery smooth, buttery smooth. Bro, just take it out and keep it here, bro. Keep it here, keep it here. Keep it here, keep it here. I want to see the license key. License key and other manuals and all. It's a manual, bro. Finally, we have DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor. Two stickers. Wow. The quality of cable is too good, bro. This must be a license. How to open it? Cut from here, cut from here. Take it out from here. Take it out from here. Just don't show the backside.
DaVinci Resolve Studio.
Thanks for watching, guys.